Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are here at Valgro India booth. I have got my mentor and my elder brother, Mr. Mahesh Inamdar, Managing Director, Akash Farming Technologies, and Laghu Udyog Bharati Belgavi Chapter President. It's good to meet you, Mahesh ji.
Good to meet you, Dinesh. Already he is told that I am his elder brother, so ये मेरा छोटा भाई है, and I'm very happy with what he has been doing, with the success he has achieved. It's really, I'm so happy and glad to see him growing year on year, scaling new heights. Nice to meet you, Dinesh.
Thank you, sir. Sir, we are here at Valgro booth. You have seen it. It's a Make in India product. So, how do you see this product and how it will help metal farming industry?
I think this is really an innovative product which has been developed by Valgro. This is, I can say, a purely make in India product which is path-breaking in terms of the deburring process and the surface roughness removal process in sheet metal stampings. And this is, I think, one of, you can see, one of a kind product, and happy to know that this is completely conceptualized in India, made in India, for in India. That's one of the best part of Valgro.
And this is not for Valgro or me as a LUB chief in Belgaum. What's new we can see from initiative from your side in 2026, because now you have the reign or baton in your hand to take it to the next level.
If you are talking of LUB has been doing phenomenally well. The Belgaum chapter, with the support, of course, of the state team. Recently, we did a vendor development program wherein PSUs like HAL, BHEL, BEL had come out all the way, and they presented the vendor registration processes. And we are working towards a goal where we uplift the micro industry so that they get tangible benefits in terms of business rather than more of solving the local civic issues which are we definitely would like to take a path wherein we make real changes to the industry, the way they work, the way they see themselves and grow. The growth of the micro and the small is the backbone for the Atmanirbhar or whatever make in India. And seeing the current geopolitical situation, it makes a lot of sense today what the Prime Minister conceptualized of Atmanirbhar and make in India. Because right now, anybody's right. So it is a global situation, and it is good that the Prime Minister conceptualized this at a very early stage, and today we are seeing a vast difference.
Thank you, Mahesh ji, and it's good to see you as a MD of a company and as a LUB Belgaum chapter president coming to IMTEX and looking at the technologies. I know you are here for 2 days. Best wishes, and looking forward to meet you again in Belgavi at some event.
Surely, Dinesh, it's nice. It's always nice meeting you, and I look forward to more interactions with you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.